Welcome back to Ultra Auto Motorhome, where we explore the most exciting vehicles shaping the future of travel. And today's feature feels like a real glimpse into what the next generation of motorhomes will become. This is the BYD Motorhome 2027, a fully electric luxury RV that combines futuristic design, advanced battery technology, and real everyday comfort into one intelligent machine built for long-distance exploration. The first thing that stands out is the exterior. The BYD Motorhome doesn't look like a traditional RV at all. It looks more like a futuristic electric lounge on wheels. The front end is smooth and minimalist, with a closed-off grille design that instantly signals its electric identity. Slim LED headlights stretch across the front with a continuous light signature that gives the motorhome a high-tech presence both day and night. The body lines are clean and flowing, designed to reduce air resistance and maximize efficiency. Every curve feels intentional, created not just for aesthetics, but for range optimization. Moving along the side profile, the design feels modern and aerodynamic rather than tall and boxy. Large panoramic windows dominate the sides, allowing natural light to flood the interior while offering stunning views when parked. The glass is smart tinted, meaning you can adjust transparency for privacy with the touch of a button. The door handles sit flush with the body, further enhancing the sleek appearance. Solar panels are seamlessly integrated into the roof, helping to charge on-board systems and extend off-grid capability. Even the wheels are designed with efficiency in mind, featuring aerodynamic covers that reduce drag while still looking stylish. At the rear, the motorhome continues its futuristic theme. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the back, giving it a strong and recognizable identity at night. The rear design is clean, balanced, and modern, with smart placement of storage access points and charging ports that don't disrupt the overall aesthetic. It's clear that BYD approached this motorhome with the same design philosophy they applied to their electric cars: clean, efficient, and forward-thinking. Step inside and the experience completely changes from impressive to immersive. The interior of the BYD Motorhome 2027 feels more like a luxury smart apartment than a vehicle. The layout is open, airy, and intelligently designed to maximize space. Light-colored materials, large windows, and a minimalist design approach make the interior feel much larger than you would expect. Every surface feels modern, from the soft-touch materials to the brushed metal accents and ambient lighting that flows gently throughout the cabin. The main living area is designed for relaxation and flexibility. The seating is plush, supportive, and designed for long hours of comfort. These seats easily transform into additional sleeping spaces when needed, making the motorhome ideal for families or guests. A large floating display panel serves as both an entertainment center and a control hub for the entire vehicle. You can adjust lighting, temperature, battery usage, water levels, and more from one intuitive interface. The sound system is built for immersive audio, making movie nights and music listening feel truly cinematic. The dining and work area is equally well thought out. A modern table extends smoothly from the wall, creating a comfortable space for meals, laptop work, or creative projects. Wireless charging pads are built into surfaces throughout the cabin, and high-speed connectivity ensures you can work remotely with ease. This is clearly a motorhome designed for digital nomads as much as it is for luxury travelers. The kitchen is where BYD's smart technology truly shines. It's clean, minimalist, and highly functional. An induction cooktop, smart oven, energy-efficient refrigerator, and ample storage make it easy to prepare real meals on the road. The cabinets use push-to-open mechanisms, keeping the design sleek and uncluttered. The materials feel durable but premium, designed to withstand everyday use while still looking beautiful. This kitchen isn't just for show, it's built for real living. The bedroom area continues the calm, modern atmosphere. The bed is large, comfortable, and designed with high-quality materials that support real rest, not just short naps. Soft ambient lighting, acoustic insulation, and thoughtful layout make the sleeping space feel private and peaceful. Storage compartments are cleverly integrated into walls and under the bed, offering plenty of room for clothes, luggage, and personal items without cluttering the space. The bathroom feels surprisingly luxurious for an electric motorhome. It includes a modern shower, sleek sink, and high-quality fixtures throughout. Water-saving technology is integrated into the system, allowing longer off-grid stays without sacrificing comfort. Ventilation is excellent, and the materials are chosen for easy maintenance and long-term durability. It's practical, stylish, and designed for everyday use. Performance is where BYD Motorhome 2027 truly separates itself from traditional RVs. This is a fully electric motorhome powered by BYD's advanced battery technology, which is among the best in the world. The electric motor power delivers smooth, silent acceleration, making the driving experience feel calm and refined. There's no engine vibration, no loud noise, just effortless motion. For a vehicle of this size, the responsiveness is genuinely impressive. Range is always the big question with electric vehicles, and BYD addresses this with a large-capacity battery pack designed for long-distance travel. While exact figures depend on configuration, this motorhome is expected to offer a range suitable for serious road trips, especially when combined with regenerative braking and solar support systems. Charging is made easier with fast charging compatibility, allowing you to regain significant range during rest stops. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing bumps and uneven roads smoothly. Even on longer drives, the motorhome feels stable and easy to control. Advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and automated parking make driving less stressful and far safer. The goal is clear: make long journeys feel effortless. Technology is everywhere in this motorhome. From voice-controlled systems to app-based remote management, you can control almost every aspect of the vehicle from your phone. Climate, lighting, battery monitoring, security, and more are all accessible through a smart ecosystem. This isn't just a motorhome with tech added on. It's a fully connected smart vehicle designed from the ground up. Now, let's talk about pricing. The BYD Motorhome 2027 is expected to be positioned as a premium electric motorhome, but more accessible than ultra-luxury brands. Estimated starting prices are likely around $130,000 to $170,000, depending on battery size, interior configuration, and technology options. Higher-end versions with extended range and upgraded interiors will cost more, but the value proposition remains strong, especially considering the savings on fuel and maintenance that come with electric ownership. The BYD Motorhome 2027 represents a shift in how we think about RV travel. It's clean, quiet, intelligent, and designed for the future. It offers luxury without excess, technology without complication, and freedom without compromise. Thanks for watching Ultra Auto Motorhome, and I'll see you on the next journey.